Yesterday, 6 American airmen took off over Iraq. They were not fighter pilots. They were not bomber crews. They were the people who make every other mission possible. None of them came home. Most people watching the Iran war coverage have seen footage of F-35s, B-2 Spirits, B-52s, but almost no one talks about the aircraft that makes all of them possible. The KC-135 Stratotanker. No stealth coating, no weapons, no radar-evading shape. Just fuel. Thousands of gallons of it, transferred at 30,000 feet to aircraft that cannot reach their targets without it. When the B-2 Spirit flew 6,000 miles from Missouri to strike Iran, it was a KC-135 that met it over the Atlantic and gave it the fuel to keep going. When F-35s fly sorties over Tehran, a KC-135 is waiting nearby. This aircraft has been flying since 1957. Designed during the Eisenhower administration, older than most of the pilots who fly it. And yet, the United States Air Force cannot conduct long-range operations without it. On March 12, 2026, one of them did not return. At approximately 7 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, over western Iraq, 2 KC-135s were operating in support of Operation Epic Fury. Both were flying in friendly airspace. No enemy aircraft, no missile threat, no hostile fire. The two aircraft collided. One KC-135, serial number 63-8017, assigned to the 314th Air Refueling Squadron from Beale Air Force Base, California, went down. The second aircraft, its tail visibly sheared, declared a 7700 emergency and diverted to Ben Gurion Airport in Israel. Photographs showed nearly half of its vertical stabilizer missing. It landed. The crew survived. U.S. Central Command immediately launched a combat search and rescue operation over western Iraq. By the morning of March 13th, all 6 crew members of the downed aircraft were confirmed killed. This is the first KC-135 lost in combat operations since 2013, and the 4th American aircraft lost since Operation Epic Fury began. The KC-135 is not a glamorous aircraft. It will never be on the cover of a magazine. It will never be the subject of a Hollywood film. But here is what every military analyst understands. Without aerial refueling, modern long-range air power does not exist. The B-2 cannot reach Iran from Missouri. The B-52s at RAF Fairford cannot sustain operations without tanker support. The F-35s cannot remain on station over Tehran. Every single strike mission in Operation Epic Fury has depended, directly or indirectly, on a KC-135. There are approximately 400 KC-135s in the U.S. Air Force inventory. They are irreplaceable in the short term, and they operate, by necessity, outside the protection of stealth. This crash is a reminder that in modern warfare, the most critical aircraft are often the ones nobody sees coming until they don't come back. 6 crew members. Their names have not yet been released. Their families are being notified. They were not flying a stealth bomber. They were not launching missiles. They were doing the unglamorous, essential, invisible work that makes every other mission possible. Fueling the aircraft that others fly into history. Operation Epic Fury will be remembered for its B-2 strikes, for its F-35 kills, for its carrier groups. But somewhere in western Iraq, 6 people who made all of that possible deserve to be remembered too. Rest in peace. If this video gave you something the headlines didn't, subscribe to Sky Superiority. We cover the full picture, the aircraft everyone talks about, and the ones nobody does, until it matters. Sky Superiority.